Hey guys, I'm Ryan, and today I'm going to be explaining an experiment with really just two bouncy balls, explaining what potential energy is. So, as you may know, potential energy is kind of like it's the energy an object has relative to something in its field. And what I'm mostly going to explain about today is gravitational potential energy, where basically the higher a ball is, the more potential energy it has, because there's more space it can fall towards the center of gravity of the Earth, which is in this case the ground. So if I take these two balls and I put one above the other, this one has more potential energy because again there's more space towards the ground. But if I let it go, it starts to turn into kinetic energy halfway through, or not even halfway through. It starts to turn into kinetic energy as I drop it because more of it's being turned into movement instead of just being able to, instead of staying up here. But as it gets turned into kinetic energy, there's still some potential energy left until it hits that center of gravity, which is the ground. So this red ball, if you can see, is going to have more potential energy than the yellow ball until it hits about the same place.